Post our visit to the Kelve beach, we had our lunch, which was a fish thali, as we were riding along the coast, so we chose to have a seafood thali there. It was too good. So once done with the lunch, we were now going towards Mahim Fort, not to confuse with the Mahim Fort in Mumbai. This one is in Palghar. Again, the maps was not able to locate it properly, and we were doing rounds at this place. Finally, we met a local person who took us till the fort. Unlike other forts, this one was close to a village, though there was no one in the fort. As like other forts in this area, it was built by Portuguese, which was later captured by Marathas, and then it changed hands to the British. This fort is somewhat rectangular in shape, and the fortification walls are not that high compared to other forts here. As soon as you enter, you will find an empty hall kind of place, and there will be a staircase straight in front of you which leads to the bastions of this fort. Apart from that, there are few rooms here, and the view from the top is good.